Welcome to the English News Bulletin. I'm Devajyoti, bringing to you today's headlines first. IMCT visits flood-hit districts to assess damage, reviews relief and rehabilitation measures. India-Japan Summit highlights Assam and Northeast as emerging economic hub. Tripura tea sector to receive 726 crore investment boost. IMD forecasts heavy to very heavy rain across Northeast, flood and landslide risks. Now the news in details. A high-level interministerial central team, IMCT, visited flood-affected districts to assess the extent of damage caused by the recent floods and review the ongoing relief and rehabilitation efforts. During the visit, the team inspected affected areas, interacted with local officials and residents, and evaluated the response measures being undertaken by the state administration. The IMCT also reviewed the damage to infrastructure, agriculture, public property and livelihoods. The assessment will help the central government determine the need for additional financial assistance under disaster relief norms. Authorities assured that relief operations, restoration of essential services and rehabilitation of affected families remain a top priority. Discussions at the India-Japan Summit have placed Assam and the Northeast in the spotlight as emerging strategic hubs for economic growth and regional connectivity. The talks focused on expanding cooperation in key sectors, including infrastructure development, clean energy, advanced manufacturing, and multimodal connectivity. Both countries emphasized the region's growing importance as a gateway to Southeast Asia, with plans to strengthen transport networks, industrial corridors, logistics, and sustainable development projects. The collaboration is expected to attract greater investment, create employment opportunities, and accelerate economic transformation across the Northeast. The renewed India-Japan partnership is also expected to support long-term growth by enhancing regional trade, boosting clean energy initiatives, and improving cross-border connectivity, reinforcing the Northeast's role in India's Act East policy. The Tripura Tea Development Corporation, TTDC, is set to sign investment agreements worth around 726 crores during the Destination Tripura Business Conclave, marking a major push for the state's tea industry. The proposed investments aim to modernize tea gardens, expand processing facilities, improve infrastructure, and generate employment opportunities. The initiative is expected to strengthen Tripura's tea sector, enhance production and exports, and attract greater private investment, contributing significantly to the state's economic growth.
এই প্রথমবার চা শিল্পে বহিরাগত বিনিয়োগের একটা আমাদের কাছে প্রস্তাব এসেছে এবং সেটা মোট আর্থিক যে মূল্য রয়েছে তার পরিমাণ হচ্ছে 726 কোটি টাকা। আগামী 9 এবং 10 জুলাই মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর উপস্থিতিতে আমাদের হাপনিয়াস্থিত যে বিজনেস কনক্লেভ হবে সেখানে মৌ স্বাক্ষরিত হবে। আমাদের টিটিডিসি এবং যারা সংশ্লিষ্ট আমাদের সঙ্গে চুক্তিবদ্ধ হবেন বিনিয়োগের ক্ষেত্রে, আমাদের এই যে 9-10 যে বিজনেস কনক্লেভ হবে সেখানে আমরা আপনারা জেনে খুশি হবেন 1 লক্ষ কোটি টাকার উপরে এখানে বিনিয়োগের প্রস্তাব সুনিশ্চিত হয়েছে।
The Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall across much of Northeast India over the next several days as the active southwest monsoon continues. The entire northeast are likely to receive intense showers, with isolated places expected to experience very heavy rainfall. The IMD has warned that the persistent rainfall could trigger localized flooding, waterlogging, landslides in hill areas, and disruptions to road transport and essential services. Low-lying areas and riverbanks remain particularly vulnerable. Residents have been advised to stay alert, avoid unnecessary travel during periods of intense rainfall, monitoring official weather updates, and follow instructions issued by local authorities and disaster management agencies. Here we come to the end of today's news. Stay tuned for our latest news updates.